the Lunar New Year, also known as Chinese New Year, bids farewell to the old and ushers in the new. And this year is the Year of the Dragon.
I love it.
So if you were born in 2012, 2000, 1988, 1976, 1964, or 1952, I hope you're watching.
This is your year. From colorful decorations to traditional dishes and legends, there's much more to the annual festival than meets the eye. So helping us prepare ahead of this year's festivities is culinary creator Peter Som. Welcome to New York Living.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
What an honor. The Year of the Dragon.
Yeah.
Yes, Year of the Dragon.
What's that mean?
That means people who were born in the Year of the Dragon are destined to be great, exciting people. They are driven and focused. So they're kind of almost like the Leos of the...
I was just gonna say they're like the Leos of the... Are you a dragon?
I am a Year of the Dog, so we're chill and happy.
Oh, you're so lucky.
Yeah.
I always wanted to be the Year of the Dog.
Okay. I think I'm the chicken.
I don't know what I am.
Are you chicken?
I think I'm the chicken.
All right,
I
okay.
could be wrong.
You're
though.
not a chicken in real, but
I'm not a chicken in real life.
But every animal has...
What is 1990?
Oh my gosh, yeah.
The Year of the Yippic. Okay, so food is a major part of every
Oh, I'm a
holiday.
horse. This just in, I'm a horse.
Excellent.
All right, perfect.
You have
you,
brought
Brittany.
something that looks absolutely spectacular.
This is a delicious New Year cake. It's called Ningo, which literally means year cake. And it is a rustic home-style cake that we make every year for Lunar New Year.
Okay.
And this is my grandmother's recipe.
What?
And it is super delicious. It's made
better
out of
share it with
glutinous rice flour.
Yum.
If you like mochi,
Yes.
it's almost the same thing. It's chewy and bouncy. It's coconut and like almond in there. It's so delicious.
I think I'm gonna love this.
I think we should shimmy.
Yes.
and let
You wanna
this-
shimmy?
Let's
Okay.
get right to it, and
Yeah.
we're gonna ask you some questions as we
Yes.
go along.
So you said this was something that your grandma made.
This is my grandmother's recipe, so it's not super traditional. Normally you would steam it, but my grandmother, she bakes it, so that's why you get this gorgeous crackly crust.
I love it's almost giving olive oil cake, but probably a lot better.
It's got those vibes. So here we have rice flour. This is glutinous rice flour, and this recipe could not be simpler. I messed it up twice last night, so let me tell you. You can really, there's a lot of leeway here. Baking soda, some salt. You're gonna whisk this around.
That's a fun whisk.
I was gonna say, let me see that whisk.
This is a Danish whisk.
Danish.
Only Peter Som has a Danish whisk. That's gorgeous
it's
like
cute,
this.
isn't it?
It's adorable.
Yeah, I can hang it like a mobile. I mean, it's great.
It's a wonderful
Or an
decoration.
earring, yeah, exactly. You could do so many things with it, but it's great because some things can get stuck in here, and this
I have
doesn't.
that issue a lot.
Yeah. So look, this is the dry, done.
Done.
And now we're gonna just do the wet ingredients. So we're gonna crack some eggs, and I'll just
Do the thing.
We got
One-handed.
We've got 4 eggs.
Please.
Yeah.
This is not his first rodeo.
4 eggs. For my hens. Just kidding. I don't have hens.
I was gonna say you are really farm to table
Yeah, no,
us.
I really don't.
Peter, what are some other foods that are traditionally served?
So two that really are great for me are longevity noodles. So these are noodles that are super long. You serve them on Lunar New Year. You also serve them on your birthday.
They're for good luck, right?
They're for longevity, for long
for a
life.
long
Yeah,
life.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And then the other one you really want to serve is a whole fish. Because a whole fish represents prosperity. You're serving like the entire shebang.
thing.
With the head and the eyeballs and everything.
You
And the
know it.
tail.
My mom loves the cheeks and the fins, so she will.
Apparently they're delicious.
They
They're
are. I
delicious.
have had once. What are some other traditions for the Lunar New Year? I'm looking at these red envelopes, and I'm being transported back to when I was in school, and we learned about it, and I can't remember what they're for.
Yeah, so red envelopes are usually given to family and friends. They're called hongbao in Cantonese, and you usually put money in them.
Ah,
because
that's what- yes.
Who doesn't love a
Who
little?
doesn't like money?
Thank you.
Money, exactly.
Please and thank you.
Exactly.
Cute.
And I'm just adding all the wet
There's
in
no
here.
money in there,
Yeah,
Alex.
there's no money on there. So
he likes us, but not that much.
He's like, I just met you guys.
So you added, what is that, milk?
So this is coconut milk, and then this is coconut cream actually,
cream.
and then we
That
have
smells so good.
and then we have regular milk. I've added sugar. We have brown butter. So I've melted butter until it gets really brown and nutty.
the
It's
milk
gonna add some
solids.
great
Yeah,
flavor.
sure.
And then we have vanilla extract and coconut extract.
Wow.
And you mix it all together.
Remind me the name of this delicious thing?
It's called Ningo.
Ningo.
Yeah.
Ningo.
Yeah, so Nin is year in
Yes.
Cantonese, and then go is cake. So it's pretty,
It's
literally
literally year
year
cake.
cake.
Amazing.
Exactly. Though this one it's so easy to make, you can really make it any time of year. We make it also for Thanksgiving, for Christmas.
Birthday.
Exactly.
On a random Wednesday.
When you combine the dry and the wet, what happens? How long is this cooked?
So
What
it's
temp-
325 for about an hour.
Okay.
And so you can either do 2 smaller cakes, which is great because one for you, one to give away. Because
like
the
the
other
way he
tradition
thinks.
during Lunar New Year is you go visit family and friends. You go visit.
Oh, fun.
So it's a very social kind of holiday.
And you come with a cake.
You come
leave
with a
one at the
cake,
house,
yeah.
and then you take one to go to family.
Or you eat
go.
both yourself and you know.
Or you eat both yourself.
Exactly.
This
We're gonna
is,
dive in because I can't look at this any
Yeah,
longer.
so it's chewy, it's bouncy. You can even use your hands if you want
I'm gonna,
to.
you know
gonna
what?
have to.
I'm gonna
Yeah,
use
exactly.
my hands. I feel like we're family now.
Look at how
Exactly. So it's chewy, it's bouncy, and it's got that golden brown kind of crust
I can
on
taste
it.
that coconutty. It's
That was
delicious.
so good.
It is like a mochi.
Yeah, exactly.
My children would love this. I'm gonna, you know what?
nice
I'm
and
gonna look
light.
on our website and see what the recipe is.
It's there. It's there.
Or I'm gonna call you.
So easy. It's so
Peter
easy.
Som, thank you so much.
Thank you both so much.
Thank you.
you. Real
Happy
treat.
Lunar New Year.
Happy Lunar New Year to you both. Yes.